What is going on, guys? Hope y'all are doing good. So bear with me real quick. My sinuses are acting all crazy and my allergies are all messed up, but check it out. Got 4 collectors, prepping for the ice cream cruise. Got some coffee. It's early. It's like 5:30 in the morning. I was here last night super late. You guys have been asking me what I've been up to, so I guess I'd show you. It's a really clean Fox body. LS swapped, of course. I didn't film anything on this though. But this video is gonna be prepping for the ice cream cruise event. Today is, what is today? Today is July 26th. And the ice cream cruise is the 4th and the 5th. I will be probably leaving on the 3rd. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to do like a prep video. We're gonna try to make about 5 to 8 manifolds, maybe all 10 of them. We will see. I'm getting pretty burnt out, but I really want to try to get that many made so I can try to see, because I want to try to have a booth set up and have my business cards, etc., etc., and see anybody who wants to come see me. So yeah, check it out. This is an Evo manifold I just finished up. Oh, show you guys some of this weld detail. If it'll focus. Anyways, just do a kind of chilling video of prepping for the ice cream cruise event. So if you want to take along, take along. If not, I'll see you guys later. Also, one more thing I forgot. I did make a K-Series top mount. Did get that all finished. This is for the 2nd gen MR2, guys. I did have the turbo on it, but I don't anymore. Tried to get that finished up for a customer. Should be shipping that out pretty soon too. Just trying to play catch up with everything, so it's been a fun week. So today is Thursday, and going to be leaving for the ice cream cruise tomorrow. I don't believe I'll be able to make another manifold by then, so unfortunately it's gonna be the end of this manifold prep, but I didn't get as much done as I wanted to. But I got the Sidewinder finished up last night. This is K-Series Sidewinder. Got this B-Series top mount. This Evo manifold and the K-Series one. That one's already bought, I just haven't shipped it out yet. Kind of sucks. I was gonna try to get a lot more manifolds made for this event. Unfortunately, I was having some issues that ended up just being some crappy filler rod. So I wasted like a day and a half trying to figure out if it was my machine, argon, etc., etc. I just couldn't figure it out. So didn't get as much done as I wanted to. And then today, for the most part today, I'll just be touching up these manifolds. I gotta add the badges to 3 of them, I believe. Yeah, 3 of them. Deck the flanges. I did get my business cards in though, so that's pretty cool. And then also today, I gotta put the drive shaft back in my truck. I already took it all out. The rear U-joint was just, dude, is destroyed. So we're gonna be taking my truck, and I believe the plan is my truck, Emilio's trailer, and the Honda-Roo. So we'll be trailering his car down, be riding down with him. Not sure if I'm gonna film going down there and part of the event. I might, we'll see. I'll bring my camera just in case, but should be pretty cool. Gonna be going down with Kyle, Brent, and Emilio. And yeah, I'll just kind of throw some more clips in and hope you guys enjoy. So we got the drive shaft back in the truck. Got these manifolds loaded up. Don't mind all these clothes and shit, but it's just the 4 I'm bringing. So just gotta get my business cards and stuff and go see what Kyle and them are up to. This is a little bit of change of plans, but I'm over here at Kyle's. Got the truck hooked up to the trailer. So I guess now we are
going to be, well, I guess I will be trailering Kyle's hatch instead of the Hondaroo. I'm not really sure why. I haven't really talked to him. I think Kyle's going to get a haircut, so is this thing gonna focus? But anyways, guys, I just thought I'd make this video real quick for you. Just let you know that go and do the ice cream cruise. Gonna set up kind of like a mini booth with all of them, so it should be pretty cool. Come out there and see us and hang out and say hi. Don't be strangers. So hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys out at ice cream cruise.